Okay, guys. 1 2 1 2 microphone test. Check. 1 2 1 2. You know what's happening today? I just purchased two different backgrounds. So two backgrounds of the same kind. They're on a special sale. So when I purchased, this is the background. This is the fake background for those who do not know. Either you are a YouTuber or you are have a certain work from home, you want to renovate your office, something like that, to have this type of look. Remember, this is not my really background. It's a fake background. You just buy on Amazon. Depending on how the size is, it can be $15, $20, $50, depending of different kind. So give me the marks. What score are you going to give on this brand new background with this new fake background? I like to use the word fake so that you can know that it's not real. If you want to know, that's how it looks like if you want to use it. Thank you so much. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is EBM Ernest Boniface Makulilo from Belton, Missouri, United States of America.